亲爱的同学们，我是小丫老师。今天小丫老师想和你们一起谈一谈有关情绪的话题 Emotions. Do you ever think about your emotions? What kinds of things make you sad? I get sad when I get a bad mark in school or when someone that I like moves away. I sometimes see sad boys that make me cry. I don't like to be sad.I don't like to have frown on my face. I like to be happy. I'm happy most of the time. Parties make me happy. Being with my friends makes me happy. Lots of things make me happy. If someone tells me a joke, I laugh. I enjoy laughing. I think that people look the best when they smile. 喜欢小丫老师记得双击加关注，每天一起学英语哦。